Hey guys, let's check new problem from binary search, which is binary tree, which is called to find the two trees are identical or not. Okay, you have given two trees, you need to find whether they are exactly similar or not. So see, can we discuss some edge cases? Okay, edge cases is like if both the trees root 1, okay, root 1 is null and root 2 is also null, they don't have any nodes in it. Okay, in that case also it is identical, correct? Second one, root 1 is null but root 2 is not null, in that case they are not identical. And the general case, very general, so these three cases are there. And the very general case, if I ask you that these two trees are identical or not, what you will check? First you will check its node data, right? 1 is equal to 1, okay, at least the current node is equal. Now you will check its left subtree, okay? If left subtree is equal to means other trees left side and right side is equivalent to other trees right side, then it means they are identical, right? So same thing we will be doing here. We will be using recursion, okay? So if you see the code, okay, only this 3-4 lines of code is here. So here you can check that this is case 1 when both are equal, okay? If both are equal, it means root 1 is equal to null and root 2 is equal to null. So we have used here AND, okay? So you will return true. Otherwise, means this is identical function will return you boolean, which will take two parameters, root 1 and root 2, okay, from two different trees. And then second case is root 1 is equal to null or root 2 is equal to null, okay? If anyone is null, in that case you will return false, okay? Then if both are null, so this condition will take care, okay? And then third one is you will check whether root 1 ka value is equal to root 2 ka value. If yes, then you go forward and you check in left subtree. If this is also returning you true, then you will go forward because we have used here and you know the property of AND, right? If any false it gets, it will not execute the expression which is written ahead, and then it will check for the root 2 and will return whatever is the answer, okay? So let's see, let's dry run it, okay? So first is identical function, okay, is I will write is id, okay, is identical will run for 1 comma 1, okay, root 1 root 2. So root 1 is not equal to null, root 2 is not equal to null, leave this second condition also, okay? Then it will go here, return root 1 value is equal to root 2 value, yeah, true. So first it will give you true and okay, then it will run is identical function for root 1 ka left and root 2 ka left, so 2 and 2, it will run for 2 comma 2. Now we will come back here again, okay? What is happening? We will come back again here for the next function, but let's see what is happening here in is id 2 comma 2, okay? So what will happen in 2 comma 2? Again this condition, case 1 it will not run, case 2 it will not run, means not eligible. Case 3, okay, 2 equal to 2, condition true, what it will return? True. And okay, and then it will run is identical function for 2 ka left 2 and then 2 ka left, so 4 comma 4 it will run, okay? Now let's come to 4 comma 4, is id 4 comma 4. What will happen? Return true because 4 is equivalent to 4, and okay, it will run is identical function for 4 ka left, so null comma null, okay? So what null comma null will return me when I run this function again? It will check that root 1 ka left, root 1 is equal to null and root 2, so because both are null at the same time, that's why I'm returning true. So this function will give me true value, okay? Then if this is done, then I can run the later statement, right? So that will be is id, then 4 ka right, this root 1 ka right, root 2 ka right, so that will be again null comma null, so this one will again give me true, okay? So means this is id function is giving me true and true and true, so means true, it will give me true only. So this is id function will return me true. Now I can run another statement, okay? Let me remove this one, it is creating confusion. Now I can run another statement which is id, now for what? 2 ka right, okay? 2 was the root there, right? If you wanted to check, just come directly here in the main function name. So 2 ka right, what was 2 ka right? 5 comma 5. So again same thing will happen with 5 comma 5, this one will also return you true, okay? After that you will get true here, so true and true. Now you will run this function for 1 ka right side, okay? So 1 ka right side will be 3 comma 3, again it will return you true. So at the end you will be getting true only, okay? So yeah, that's it, you will get true from this function. So that's it, thank you.